In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly fix Grok Imagine when it's not working. If you're trying to create an image and nothing happens, don't worry. I'll walk you through simple, reliable checks you can do right now to get things running smoothly again. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. Grok Imagine needs an active connection to generate images in the cloud. If you're on Wi-Fi, confirm you're actually connected and the signal is strong. Try loading another site or streaming a short clip to verify speed. If you're on mobile data, ensure you haven't hit a data limit, then briefly toggle airplane mode off and on to refresh your network. Next, give the page or app a fresh start. If you're using a browser, hit refresh to reload the Grok page and establish a clean session. If you're using the app, fully close it, wait a couple of seconds and reopen it. This clears minor glitches and reconnects to the service. If you're using a browser and things still look off, clear your cache and cookies, then log back into Grok. Old or corrupted cached files can cause display issues, broken buttons, or looping spinners. After clearing, return to Grok and sign in again to load everything from scratch. By the way, if you need quick access, you'll find the official website link to Grok at the very top of the description. And if you prefer the app, the download link is there too. Use those to go directly to the right place without hunting around. Make sure your app or browser is fully up to date. Outdated versions can break features like Imagine. On mobile, check your app store for the latest update. On desktop, update your browser to the newest version. Once updated, reopen Grok and try again. Now retry your prompt. Sometimes the issue is temporary server congestion or a brief hiccup. Re-enter your image prompt and run it again. Give it a few extra seconds to process before making another change. If none of that solves it, reach out to Grok support through the app or the website's help section. Describe exactly what happened, include the device and browser or app version you're using, and, if possible, attach a screenshot of the error or the moment it fails. That information helps the team diagnose your issue faster. That's how you quickly fix Grok Imagine if it's not working. Thanks for watching.